And I'm here. My dad's new bike came in. Pretty cool.
What's up, guys?
Look at them. Look at them. Seat's pretty comfortable. Now I want to. Yeah. Hey guys, I'm Kid Knievel, and my dad's new bike came in today after 2 weeks of waiting.
What's up, everybody? How are you today?
Yep. He's gonna be doing his first video next day that it's warm out, or tomorrow maybe. The wheel's pretty cool, has a lot of green on it. Oh, green? There's a green on your wheels? Right here.
Oh, yeah.
Like green stripes on it, some red down there with the rims. And yeah, it's red and black just like his gloves. My shoes kind of match it too, so I feel like it'd be a good match if I got on it. It'd be pretty cool. Thing's pretty fast. It looks like it would be for me, but it's not. Just came in today at 11. And yeah, freaking took forever to freaking get here. Dad's been waiting for so long. 2 weeks. And yeah, so I'm gonna show my brother thinks he can do a wheelie. Alright, do one. Do a wheelie. Do this way, do one this way. My camera don't go that far, so. Go ahead, go ahead. Sport can't even do it. Alright, do one straight at me. Now. You can do it really for a split second, not faster than my dad though. My dad's just way better. And yeah, so his first video is gonna be here soon. My second bike ride video is gonna be here soon. Thanks for 100 views on the last one, more than this kid would get.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe and subscribe to my dad.
Baby Dabs.
Stunt Demon. Stunt Demon. He has 2 subscribers. 5. Oh, sorry. And yeah, that's the bike. It's the seat.
I got this momentum. I'm gonna do it longer.
I'm Kid Knievel. This is Baby Dabs, and we are out. Dad's new bike. Who dis? Who dis?